Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to eBay. First, begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the My eBay section, usually found at the top right of the page. From there, navigate to the Account tab. Within the Account settings, you'll find a Payments section. Click on PayPal account to proceed with the linking process. Now, on the PayPal account page within eBay, you'll see a prominent button labeled Link My PayPal Account. Click this button to initiate the connection. You will then be securely redirected to the official PayPal website. Here, you'll need to log in using your PayPal credentials, your email address, and password to verify your identity and authorize the link. Ensure you are on the legitimate PayPal site. After logging into PayPal, you will be presented with a page detailing the permissions eBay is requesting. Carefully review these permissions to understand what information eBay will access. Once you are comfortable, click the Agree and Connect or similar button to grant permission. This step is crucial for establishing the secure link between your two accounts. Confirm the action on the PayPal site to finalize this part. Upon successful authorization, PayPal will automatically redirect you back to your eBay account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your PayPal account has been successfully linked. Now, when you buy items, PayPal will appear as a payment option. For sellers, you can select PayPal to receive payments, making transactions smooth and secure. Congratulations, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.